After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.ca, you want to go to the top left of the screen to tap on the current year tax return option, then hit the search bar over here. A pop-up will appear, then you want to search for T2202 as the keyword, tap on the slip option over here, and do a check mark on each boxes that's suitable to your own condition, and hit the continue button. Then you may insert your tuition fees from your T2202 slips. After that, hit the continue button if you are done with the tuition fees, or click right here if you still have more slips or forms. Click on Done with Tuition Fees button. If you are eligible for Canada training credit, which simply are for those between 25 and 65 years old, you may enter the training limit based on previous tax year notice of assessment and hit Continue button. Click on Continue again. Check on the student summary, and tap on Continue. And you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.